Welcome back to another Pokemon Mr. Dungeon. Last video finished off from 26 floor to 50 floors. And then today we're going to finish up to 75 floors. So let's continue, shall we? We have a sink. Really? Really? Just do me like that. Never mind, don't do it. What a stupid idiot. What a massive damage, dude. But people still keep healing because their healing speed are so fast. Never mind. It's going down anyways. Well, good XP then. Good XP. Yay! Can you call us rainy weather, please? What the hell is the weather going on? It's not supposed to be sandy but rainy at all. What an idiot. Except with this. Calcium. I mean, let's just do that, okay? I can just drain all day. It's no good. Every single time 5 damage, but at the same time it covers the same amount of HP that we have. Decision making time. I would like me to go but nope, I try to get it item first. That is. You know, suckers. Well, I guess that worked. I mean, I don't have XPP or something else, like... I feel like this is not right. Stop doing damage. Too much already. Especially I'm not the one who is taking damage. Feels weird. I don't expect. I cannot expect something up here, right? You're dead. Which way then? I try to get this way first. Really? Try to pull out that. And deal. Yeah, I can try. Maybe I just do that. Easier. Baratus. Oh, it's Baratus. I want to get that double kill, but never mind. These two of them are not lying in the same position. And also... No, it takes a lot of damage. No, let's just not do that. Really curious about the items there. Congratulations, did single damage to me. Level 50. I'm gonna save here because seriously, it's like fun. You ain't doing good damage to me, right? Wait, Master Scarper already? Dear God, so much. Let's get this. This is just annoying. I'm not the one taking damage, but I have to take every single cutscene start getting damage. For every damage that is this. Like it wastes like 2 seconds waiting a lot. Pokemon Resting Cave. How much floor is just going to have the sandstorm effect? Wait, 59 floors. Build this gaff. Okay. I think that what is the biggest problem is that there is a certain kind of Pokemon that have the sandstorm effect. Like, no, no. Yeah, but we matter. 59 floors, key items. Key items. Really useful. I mean, what the weather does is that, I need to search all weathers. Pokemon weather. Don't need that. Weathers. Never mind. This so that. Oh, here. Oh, thank God it's up here. Still want to search for the items, yes. Oh, that's just going to be next. Great. Just going to find that. Key. Yeah, come at me, suckers. We got monies. Oh, monies. Oh, great. Let's just wait for this fast to come. Come at me, bastard. Come at me. Yeah, that's great. Come at me. Just come at me. No, it's great to get double kill. Especially grinding XP, got more XP as well. Easy jobs. As long as you can one hit kill those with these moves. For my Faye, I can one hit kill the first one first. I think it's this green guy causing the sandstorm appears. Like, BS is not taking any damage. It's not taking any damage. What the heck does sandstorm actually does? Sandstorm. leveling up. I don't think I have one. So, yep, it's the green guy who made it happen. What can I do by changing the Sandstorm? You just like change it. You just change it. There's nothing at all. What the hell is this? But he's not telling about what is Sandstorm itself. I would assume that most of the default rock type, ground type, and this. But it turns out that it doesn't hurt them. It just only hurt other things like others. What a waste of damage. Look at these triple guys there. Come on. Easy to gun up XP and double kill stuff. What's that? Glass seed. You're not even using a special attack. You know what? I'll believe something else. Because this guy is just going to end up there, so let me just get my triple kills and easy stuff. Okay, this is my triple kill collection. Just kill. 3. Ah, yeah, I got it. 4070, 33. XP. No grinding XP, so good. Oh, cringe. I'm cringe. Oh, you bastard. KO. Yeah, I dare you. Now you saw it all. You try 1 damage, it's not that bad. Especially just give me delivery some 100 plus. Don't even care about single weight. Well, can you stop that sense? Oh my, seriously, annoying. Oh, 2 damage! We just used 1 special attack, that is just 4 damage. 2 damage, I guess. Oh, what's this? Oh, PP minus. Nope, don't need it, don't even think about it. None. Stop this nonsense. Stop it. Just stop it. Then try, man. 1 damage. Don't even know why. Why so bad? You literally has like 2 chances to increase damage and then you just didn't use normal attack at all. You know, it's just still same HP. It's just this recovery speed is so damn fast. No point. Okay, let's go now. How much damage are you able to check? And waste my time actually. Wait. Oh no, great, not great. When is I going to get me a triple? No, it's just hit my defense. Yeah, let me control you first. Yeah, and then just get wrecked. And then just get wrecked. Just type advantage. And also what's this? Blasting, don't even on that. $58! There's a guy. Your turn. My gosh. Myself doesn't even attack. What the hell? No damage. No damage. No damage. Yeah, attack. Great job. Nice XP and very nice. That's why I don't even use that. If all of my 9 direction has enemies, I would definitely use it. But I only have one enemy in front of me. I would not use it, just to be not wasteful at all. Don't even use my special attack. No damage. No damage. What kind of NPC are they? In which case they use every single goddamn move to kill me instantly. This? Really? No damage. This is literally a joke. Items. Time. Search for the holy items. In which you got 580, 185, 58. Yeah. And 97 damage! Congratulations, you just make 7 damage. Of the no damage counters. Wow, wait. And 59 flaws. Finally, we have to use our keys to open something special. And this is so weird that only this dungeon has it. And also, cut it. Just find a keyhole. I need to find keyhole. Oh, great, we have this big place. Only 4. Okay, let's not worry about that. Now I find keyhole. Yeah, before I enter that, search for keyholes. And also grab this, merely a kill. Oh, I missed one. Well, never mind, I can get another 2 of that power. Really useful. Okay, what the hell are you guys doing? Come back, cowards. Cowards. Really? You are doing no damage. Up now, I'm slow. Oh, you guys stop. Oh, now you kill that guy first. No, don't look at me. Just kill this guy, okay? Just kill this bastard first. And then we just move on from there. Get some good XP. Where the keyholes at? No! Keyholes! I need keyholes! I already have a key, I need keyholes. Cyber. Only do the 92 damage. Wow. Really? You're going to do this to me? Never, I don't bother with that place. What the actual? There's nothing down there. We can choose another 5 uses done right down into the exit. Why our NPC just literally go through the trap? The key's there. Oh my god. Thanks for waking up that guy so that I can get that double kill. Let's just open this god thing. Beauty Scam. A festival sensor for enable setting up well. Okay, now I don't know. Well, now I don't even know who is that going to evolve. I need to search that. I mean, it's really necessary because it's only one floor there. But what's the point? Billy Scaff. Billy Scaff, is... Who is that? Who is a certain kind? Who is that kind of certain guy thing? How to evolve? I think... Never mind, don't use it. Side game data. I don't even know who is that supposed to be is, but it's just a Pokemon. I need to search that. It's really important. Whether I'll just throw that away or not. What's the point of that? How do I get this? It's just turn a fish into another fish. Where is this guy at? Where is this guy even at? Where can you find him? I mean, can you even find him? Side game data. Oh, what the fuck, like, what can I find him, dude? Yeah, screw this, I'm not even dead. Maybe I'm going to need that somehow. Yeah, I'm just going to put it in my storage room first, then I will do anything else. Now we have goddamn 2 enemies. Actually, I don't waste it. What the hell did you actually hit? Instant kill. Well, I expect that guy is also instant kill by one first. Let's try this, shall we? They're just talking at you like this. Stop. Yep. Also. Type advantage. Ouch. Okay, this guy's not a front type, but I can kill him easily. Ground type, I suppose? Or fire type. No damage. Are you done with? Finally, you're done. Stop it. Items are, let's search for items. Good stuff may be happening. Don't even need a key for anything. turns out to be nothing. Wait, other way then. Oh, you can just do that. Yeah, really. But it's time to give my best cover to carry on. That's a lot better. Now what is that plan? I got no plans for dance like that. That's it. I suppose I can search this place. I suppose I can search that. Or if I can say Calcium! Yeah, let's just give it to myself. Let's just give it to myself. Check my status. There, check my status. 70. No, like 85 over 78. Wait, there's another thing up there. That's literally another thing. Okay, that's mine. Don't stun. Good job, 0 damage. No! You bastard. No! Okay, what the hell? Cannot be in the water, so quick time. My. Oh, that's a score, bro. Well, just give it to me. Because Kyle CFX PP, right? I maybe don't have one. There's so much that I'm never going to run out of PPs. Yeah, only run out of apples. That's for sure. Where's the shop now? How much money I got? 9,000. I can only buy one calcium overall. Let's discover cost $300. Well, calcium and protein, zinc, and something else like that costs 6,000, 7,000. You can just do that. Get rid of this guy. I can just do that. I can just get rid of people that I need it. Level up is really important. Right? Just get rid of people in front of you. Just don't leveling up. Body level. Yeah, this dungeon is really suitable for leveling up because so much for stacking drinks and also and also a lot of good Pokemon for you to. Hey, that's the thing I need, dude. Okay, no, screw this. You're going to pick that up and drink it? Fine. No, let's just get double kill with that. Yep. Cowards. So let's just get double kill. The double kill. Only got 900 XP, really? XP is not experience point, it's execution point. How many you kill to get your XP? Yeah, right. How many do you kill? Sleep? No, you can need it. And grab some execution point first. Oh, look at this people. You're going to let that happen? Yeah, let me get this double kill first. So easy. Why people execute somebody just to get the XP point? Yeah, myself, right? Actually. Well, that's a way to give me that then. It's just not yet. Just push the defense first. And what do you expect to do if I just need two guys lining up with each other? Just double kill them. So easy. Oh, hungry now. I'm so hungry. God damn it. At least I got some extra apples, which is super useful. Oh no, well, we got 3 enemies. See if I can just... Never mind. I just literally kill my teammates. Is that what you think of? I thought this guy just kill this guy. Okay, now I just got my double kill first then. I would expect I can kill 3 of them all at once, but because of Pikachu, like seriously. Someone pick up the game. Yeah, you might need that. Just pick up all the XP. Your burn thing. Just burn it. You know fire is no good at Grand Slam type. You just only deal me 1 damage. Or not even just a balance. Let's grab this cash and then we just out of here. Cash away. Nice training. Really. Going to do me that. I can try it up there and see. Get DC, yeah, not my problem. We find the seat. Nope, yeah. Just want to search. Oh yeah, this is a maker. Yeah, I want to do that so. Whether we just used it earlier or not. Or maybe I will just go double kill before I do that. I don't know. Well, let's add up some 100 first. Hell no. Yep, that's the place literally there. There's a file search up there. This is just a waste of time. Turns out to be funny and also what's this type? Definitely not brown type, but why not? 65! Okay, today's target is 75. Really want to do it fast. Turns out to... Bruh, no. Give me that few piece triple kill first. Ouch. 1. Really, mate? 1. 2. No extra experiment you have. Go. Let's kill this guy first. You go. Just die already. Don't kill this guy. No point. That. I just got triple kill. 2,552. Okay, I'm fine. What's this? 14. This guy's just gonna sleep, then I just take that. Mass Excalibur. Well, let's just give it to Pikachu. Phoenix, yeah. This isn't making time. Let's just send it to here. Yep. Yeah, easy. Good body. Alright. My lord. Okay, totally nothing from up there, so let's just straight up go up. And also, let me kill this guy. Oh, and then it turns out I missed. I could use that literally earlier. Look like these guys go past me. Of my buddies. Let me have that place. I want this stuff. Actually, where's my last place right now? Yeah, never mind. So it's just literally that room. It's just literally that room. That's great. Well, let's just fill my hunger first. Look at these enemies. Come on. Let me exit this way. And then we have a guy in front of me. Out my face. Don't make play this picture making stuff, but you should have played this. God damn it. Oh, really? Why not? Let's see, I have a lot. Let's escape. Huh. Okay, finally get out of my face. Don't want after that. Oh my god, okay, I'm done. Well, I guess it's time to that's. Well, it's time anyway, so I still got my 4th tab, so no big deal. It's not a big deal. I may not effect, but fail trap. Fail trap plus unusable trap rate. Come on, I just need to go 6 floor more. Oh, this should be useful. Ouch. Oh, you filthy. Stop it. Just get out of my way. Let me run instead of dying. Just like that. Oh, these two guys just lying up together horizontally. If I just... Yeah, try and counter it down, idiot. 1, 2. Oh, missed that. But never mind, it's going to hit it anyways. Bleeding morons. Now what's this guy about? Never mind, 9 tail can kill 9 tail, like seriously, come on. Look at Q9, I tell you, it's on the head. What the hell? It's the legendary Pokemon. They have the power to seal people alive. And then I just can't hit kill him. What's this joke, man? It's just so easy. It's just level 100, he just became God. You want to play with me? How could you? Pathetic living creatures. We're pathetic. Pick up that money. Decision making, let me just kill slaughter this big guy first, right? Mess. 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 Probably I done for anyway. Just have to die. One. Mess. Still miss. You guys made it off. Just literally miss anything that happened. Yo, let me just go double kill. Let me just go double kill. Yeah, thanks for that double kill. Pikachu. But just let me have this then. What's this? Pro name. So I'm just gonna inject this. Yep. Level up. Seems like going up. Most likely. One damage. One damage. One damage. See a biggest combo. Oh! What the hell? Dude, just shield on a bit, okay? Just use the normal attack instead of custom blow, okay? Dude, it deals like half of my health already. You just use normal attack and kill me easily. But instead you just use your custom move and, well, no damage, one damage, no damage, one damage. And then if you don't use move, half of my health from 2 hits. See the biggest problem? Why people just use normal attacks? So easy. Just kill them one hit. And also everyone box and move, everyone have that recover. See the biggest problem? It's like your current level. So that means you have better levels, you got better status, and you got better moves. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Just one hit kill this guy, buddies. Why not? But better to have this ready. Ready already. Yep, don't ever need it. Is this guy really an idiot? So let me know there, please. Oh, next floor then. Next floor. Everything will become great if there is literally that big of a dungeon. Just don't disturb this guy. Or maybe you can disturb this guy, but not let you to disturb this guy. Besides, just got right up my XP farm. That's how easy that is. That is. Never miss. That never miss, okay? Can you stop this already? Yep, throwing rocks, never miss. That's what happens. You know how screw this, man. Just get the exit. Let's just get the exit. 75! Our targeted floor, so we're going half. Just finish up this quickly. Hey, a shop! That's insane serious crap. Whoops. 7,000. Let's get this then. I think I got enough money. How much I have? 5,000. I have another 30,000. Well, whoops. Got that. What? Yep. I only want to get another thing, but I don't have enough money, as you can see. If I can, enough money, can I also buy that? Okay, come on. Just get out of that. Really want to go shoplift, but no shoplifting is the only way that can recirculate character. Yeah. You got insane amount of evasion and then 9 left 99 should be enough, good enough. Why even do this? Nice damage, right then. Yeah. We're not preparing you guys, we're not preparing. Just let me kill you once more. Oh. Now I ran out of move already. Oh, really great. Now let me grab that. Maybe I can get some trolling going on, just rolling stuff. Far away. You guys decide if it looks like or play. Do you not like how to play games with me? Just die already. Okay, can you stop? Actually, yeah, you can't do it yourself. Thanks. Jeez, you got double kill. Well, next video I will see you next. I will see you next to go for 100 floors. Again, 25 floors to 100 floors. I will just stop it here. Thanks.